ngayon, how to increase our chest muscle size at home. No equipment needed, just push-ups. Maybe you are already doing push-ups, maybe 50 push-ups a day or more. Still, you're just gaining strength, but cannot increase muscle size. So, how can you improve your chest from this to this? But before that, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. Or maybe we want something like the chest of Wolverine, Thor, and of course, Captain America. Let me remind you that there is no shortcut to this. You cannot go inside a whatsoever capsule and then poof, taran! No. But there are always better and faster ways. So at home, we're gonna do different push-ups. These are also for beginners. So first is the traditional or standard push-ups. So let's start with the basic form or the right form for push-ups. My camera is not on level, so bear with me. First, your hands should be directly below your shoulders. Kung di mo matansya, pwede kang dumapa and see to it na yung kamay mo ay nakahilera sa chest mo and below your shoulders. And your back should be aligned with your feet. And your lower back should be slightly arched. This will help you to stabilize your core. Always start with high plank position. So here, I'm doing a normal stance, not wide, not narrow, and as much as possible, your feet should be closer together for this standard push-up. And don't do this or this. It sucks. For the first push-up, you can do 10 to 15 repetitions for 3 sets. For example, for me, I'm doing 15 reps for 3 sets, so that's already 45 standard push-ups. So next is diamond push-up. So what you're going to do is to make a triangle with your hands together. Also, my feet here are wider for me to stabilize my core. So you can do this for 8 to 15 repetitions for 3 sets. Our next is declined push-up. You can do this with your bed or chair or anything that is rigid. So the same form, but for this push-up, I did wider stance in my hands so that I can maximize the pumping. These targets are upper chest, and you can do at least 8 to 15 repetitions for 3 sets. This is equivalent to inclined bench press. Next is inclined push-up. So this is my favorite. I'm doing this in a bench. These targets are lower chest. It's the easiest, so you can always do it as your finale. It is equivalent to decline bench press. For my finale, I'm doing a negative push-ups. This is like a standard push-up, but you'll do it slower with the proper breathing. So you inhale when you go down and exhale when you go up. Slower. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Do this slowly. Negative push-ups will really help you grow your chest. Okay, so that's a wrap. Push-ups also target not only our chest or pectorals, but also different muscle groups in our body, like triceps, shoulders or deltoids, and abs. So let's make a recap. We did standard push-up, diamond push-up, decline push-up, incline push-up, and negative push-up. Of course, you can always make other arrangement on the order. You can do decline first, and last will be your inclined. It's your option. Do this full workout for at least once or twice a week, and you can see faster result. But for the standard push-up alone, you can do it every day. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.